Hello, brilliant young minds. I'm Professor Potts. Today, we will explore two big questions about our amazing planet. Why do we have day and night? And why is the Earth round? Not only will we uncover these mysteries, but I've got some fun experiments you can try at home to prove it for yourself. Let's get started. First, let's talk about day and night. Did you know the Earth spins like a top? It's spinning right now. Imagine the Earth as a giant basketball spinning on an invisible stick called an axis. It takes 24 hours to spin all the way around, giving us one whole day. When the part of Earth where you live is facing the sun, it's daytime. But when your part of Earth spins away from the sun, it's nighttime. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's try an experiment. Grab a flashlight, a ball, and a friend or a family member. The flashlight will be the sun, and the ball will be the Earth. Shine the flashlight on the ball. Can you see how one side of the ball is lit up while the other is in shadow? Now slowly spin the ball. As it turns, the side that was in shadow moves into the light, and the side in the light moves into the shadow. That's how we get day and night on Earth. But wait, how do we know the Earth is round? People figured this out thousands of years ago. A Greek scientist named Eratosthenes. He noticed something amazing. In one city, the sun cast no shadow at noon, but in another city, it did. He realized this was because the Earth is curved. He even calculated the Earth's size, over 2,000 years ago. You can do a similar experiment at home. Grab 2 sticks or pencils and place them upright in 2 spots. Shine a flashlight directly over one stick to make no shadow, and then tilt the flashlight to create a shadow on the other stick. This shows how light and shadows work on a round surface, just like on Earth. But why is Earth round in the first place? It's all thanks to gravity. Gravity is like a giant invisible hand pulling everything toward the center of the Earth. When Earth was still hot and molten, gravity pulled it into a ball shape. But here's a fun fact, Earth isn't a perfect ball. It's a little squished at the top and bottom because it spins. Scientists call this shape an oblate spheroid. Fancy, huh? Now, let's talk about a common myth. Some people think the Earth is flat. But if Earth were flat, we wouldn't see ships disappearing over the horizon, bottom first. And here's another clue. Have you noticed that in different parts of the world, people see different stars in the sky? That's only possible on a round Earth. Let's try one more experiment. Grab another ball and a marker. Draw a line around the middle of the ball to represent the equator. Now tilt the ball slightly and shine a flashlight on it. You'll notice some parts of the ball get more light than others. This tilt is what causes things like the midnight sun, where the sun stays up for 24 hours in summer in places like the Arctic Circle. A flat Earth couldn't do that. So, to sum it up, we have day and night because the Earth spins. The Earth is round because of gravity. And the idea of a flat Earth? It just doesn't fit with what we see and what science tells us. Science is all about asking questions and finding answers. So, keep being curious, keep experimenting, and keep looking at the world with wonder. Until next time, my young scientists, stay curious, and keep spinning like our amazing Earth.